Hey, what's up everybody? Got a 2018 Toyota Yaris. This video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery and also some symptoms you might run into if your battery is getting low or it's bad.
So if it won't start, first take your key and put it up close near the button like this, and then press the button with your key close to it. Sometimes they say if you put the emblem right here on it, then it'll work better, but just got to get the key real close to the button, press that, and if your car starts and your check engine light is on, you may have this code. So I changed my battery and it helped with the code, and it helped with the slow start, and it helped when I could press the button and the key could be anywhere in the car and it'll start. It doesn't have to be like next to it.
Alright guys, so pop your hood and we're going to take this battery hold down off first. It's a 10mm, get a 10mm deep socket and undo these nuts right here. After these are loose, we're going to pull these out of their little slot hole. You can just pull them out from the side, just like that. Once those are out, you can just remove this like this, put it in a safe spot for now. You can lift this cover up, and your 10mm is right here. I like how they curve the bolt to make it easier to get to. Again, it's a 10mm. Go ahead and get this loose. You don't gotta take it completely off, just get it loose. Get it loose enough to pull the clamp off. Just wiggle this off. You should actually do negative first. Negative cable first. So that's the proper way to do it. Alright, we'll remove this. Okay, got that. Alright, now the clamps are loose and the battery hold down's off. If it's the factory battery, it'll have this cover on. You could choose to put that back on or not. It's up to you. Get yourself your battery from your auto parts store or the dealer. This one's from the Toyota dealer. And just make sure it looks right, same size. Okay, so we're going to take these covers off and put our clamps back on. Positive goes on first, and then you can tighten it down, and then your negative goes on. The reason why you do negative last is because negative, even though it does spark a little bit, it doesn't spark as much as the positive. Alright, so we get those tightened down, and go ahead and get our battery hold down back on. You don't got to do these super tight. You don't want to like warp the battery or nothing. Just get them in place, just like that. Put our cover back on here. It just kind of clips in place. You shouldn't have to struggle with it. It should just kind of pop in place. And that's it, guys. So once I did that, my check engine light went away and the code just cleared by itself and everything's good. I could start my car just normal. So hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.